Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate security audits with RSA Archer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin automating security audits with RSA Archer, log into your RSA Archer account. Navigate to the Applications section in the main dashboard. Select the appropriate application that you want to automate for security audits. In the application, click on Administration to access the setup options. Look for Process Automation in the drop-down menu. Click on Add a new automation to create a new automation process. Choose a relevant name for your automation that reflects its purpose. Select the type of audit you want to automate, such as compliance or risk assessments. Next, define the triggers for your automation process. Triggers may include specific dates, completion of previous tasks, or changes in risk status. After selecting your triggers, move to the Actions section. In this section, define what actions the automation will perform. Actions may include generating reports, sending notifications, or updating records. Now, configure the notification settings based on who should receive alerts. Enter the email addresses of team members who need to be notified. Review the conditions under which notifications will be sent. Ensure that all relevant stakeholders are included in any communications. Once you've configured actions and notifications, click Save to store your automation. Test your automation to ensure it triggers correctly. Monitor its performance for the first few weeks to catch any issues early. Finalize any adjustments based on testing results. Document the automation process for future reference. Engage with your team to gather feedback on the automation's efficiency. Continue refining and optimizing your automation as necessary. With these steps completed, you'll have successfully automated security audits using RSA Archer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.